Hi everyone. In this lecture we are going to explore Microsoft Excel. The objectives of this lecture are exploring startup screen, Excel interface, and learn how to customize ribbons. When you open Microsoft Excel, you will find title bar, quick access toolbar, and file tab ribbon, command group, name box, formula bar, column bar, and your account name. Let's get started about this interface and know it in some details. So let's open Microsoft Excel and analyze each component of this interface. First thing is title bar. Title bar is showing the name of workbook. So this workbook is called book 3 and this is its name. After that, quick access toolbar is bar contains some of features and commands of Microsoft Excel, such as new, open, save, email, quick print, undo, redo, sending, sort ascending, sort descending, and you can choose any command you want to add to this quick access toolbar. This is all commands of Microsoft Excel and you can select all commands by clicking here, and this is all commands of Microsoft Excel. And you can add this icon to this bar by adding or checking or unchecking a specific command. So if you want to remove check from this quick access toolbar, just uncheck save, so it's deleted. So if you want to remove all commands, uncheck all commands. So this is quick access toolbar has no command. So if you want to add a specific command such as save or undo and redo and open, so you can open it. You can open by file, open, or you can use quick access toolbar icon from here to open and use open of workbook. So this is quick access toolbar. You can show below the ribbon here, and you can click and show above the ribbon here. Also, there is a file tab ribbon. Microsoft Excel is designed by using several ribbons. So there is file tab ribbon and home tab ribbon and insert ribbon and page layout ribbon tab, and all these tabs called ribbon tab. Each ribbon tab consists of ribbon group. So clipboard is a ribbon group, font is a ribbon group, alignment is a ribbon group, and each ribbon group consists of group of commands. So alignment consists of top align command and middle align command and lower or bottom command. So this is a structure of commanding in the Microsoft Excel. Ribbon tab, then ribbon group, then command. After that, there is name box. This is name box. Name box shows the name of cell you stand on. So if you stand on A1, you will find the name box is A1. If you stand on C5, the name box will choose C5, and so on. And this is formula bar. We will know it in detail in the formula lecture. Also, there is a column bar. This is all column bar. Microsoft Excel sheet consists of group of columns and a group of rows, and these columns and these rows developing Microsoft Excel cells. So each cell is just intersection between a column and a row. So this is column bar and this is row bar. So summarizing all this interface, we have discussed title bar, quick access toolbar, file tab ribbon, ribbon tabs, ribbon group commands inside each ribbon group, name box, formula bar, column bar, row bar, your account. By the way, I want to sign up with my account, so I will use my email to sign up. هيثم المسلمي at gmail.com. Write my password. Oh yeah, that's it. So I have signed up by my account, and this is my account here by Haytham El Musallam. So this is the first slide about exploring Excel and about Excel interface. Let's get started and continue about Excel interface. This is row bar, and this is the first sheet. This sheet and each Excel book consists of one or more about this Excel sheet, and this is sheet area consists of sum of cells, and each cell is an intersection between column and row, and this is cell, and this is scroll bar. You can scroll up, down, or vertical and horizontal, and you can scroll to left. And this is zoom control. You can zoom the sheet, minimize or maximize. And this is view buttons. Zoom slider. You can maximize and minimize the Excel sheet by increasing or decreasing zoom setting. And there is a medical advice here to your eye health and more clear reading. You should increase zoom by 10% for clear reading and for your eye health. So how to do that? Just open Excel. You can delete this slide now, and this is the scroll horizontally and the scroll to right and left, and this is zoom slider. You just select slider, and you can increase by 10% by select customize and write 110% and OK. So all the interface, column name and the column bar and row bar are increased by 10%, and this is more convenient to your eye and your reading and your application in Microsoft Excel. View buttons. There are three layouts of view buttons: normal layout view, page layout view, and page break view. Normal layout view, this is the normal layout you use when you open Microsoft Excel. Page layout view, you can use it in the printing Microsoft Excel sheet, and we will explain these views in detail in print lecture. And page break view, you can use it also in printing workbook. We have explained ribbon, and this is ribbon tab, and each ribbon tab consists of ribbon group such as alignment, font, number, etc. And each ribbon group consists of some commands, and each ribbon group has dialog launcher, and this dialog launcher such as alignment, if you click on this corner or dialog launcher, you will find description about this ribbon group. So alignment setting, click here. You can alignment, you can use all this option to justify and to adjust alignment in the cell and alignment of text. Okay, Excel ribbon. So Excel ribbon are file, home, search, draw, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, help, developer. This is our Excel ribbons in Microsoft Excel. And this customized ribbon we have discussed. Quick access toolbar. You can hide, show, or remove these ribbons by this icon top here. Control, you can use it. You can hide ribbon in Excel by Control F1. You can also add to quick access toolbar any of these ribbon group. So you can here hide all this ribbon, and you can show tabs only, and you can show tab and commands, and you can hide commands, and you can fix it commands again or pin the ribbon again by using Control F1. And this is all use, and this is all option to change the view of Microsoft Excel workbook. Also, you can add charts to quick access toolbar by right click and add to quick access toolbar. So charts icon have added here, and you can use it by click. By left click you can use all commands of the charts ribbon here, and you can delete this chart by right click and select remove from quick access toolbar. So you removed it. In the next lecture we are going to discuss customize the ribbons. We will discuss customize the ribbon. Thank you, and see you in the next lecture.